Big dummy coming at you here. Uh, hang on, let me get some Jerkins lotion. Oh. Yeah, he pulls his pud over a damn bass knob. So let's talk about bass knobs right quick. Man, these look real damn familiar, don't they? Man, this is that fried rice stuff. And this one here is that, okay. See, I'm going to do like Big Dummy. I'm going to critique shit. Well, kind of, this one here is probably one of the best bass knobs ever made in history of bass knobs. Makes me want to polish my knob just looking at it. Yeah, these Allen keys, these little screws that take the Allen's keys heads, just because they're sticking up and shit to get dirt and grime in, but disregard that. This is a perfect bass knob. Oh, and this hole in the back where you have to adjust the how bright it is. They should have said it right to start with, but they didn't. It's kind of like there's other amps out there that's just like this bass knob. They're all made at the same place, China. Um, Also, it's got these screws in the back where it gets more dirt in it. Yeah, there's more dirt can get inside there. And also that crack right there can get some dirt in there as well, which potentially would cause problems, but not this kind because it's the greatest. Oh, this one here. Huh, what a cheapo. It's got the screws flat down inside there. Why would anybody do that so it doesn't get a bunch of shit caught on it? Yeah, we don't like that kind of stuff. Soy sauce? Ha ha ha. Sounds like some kind of Chinese Japan. Wait a minute. It's even got these are flat on the back, not sticking out like a dodo bird. I mean, that's just more quality. I mean less. This is less quality than having the one sticking out on the back. Like, wait a minute, and just look. I mean, the bigger it is here, it's going to be a better bass knob because it's big. They just do the same. Well, they don't really do the same thing. Wait, so, hmm, uh, wait a second. Yeah, I don't like this real thick glass in the front, this real thick stuff. I kind of like the little thin shit. You see that real thin? It's like really thin. I prefer the thinner stuff. It's probably the reason it's bright is because it's so damn thin, and you got to use this fucking dirt collector on the back. I mean, this is a good thing. Big D coming at you here. Yeah, you want dirt to get in there. That's really good for it. Or you can just do like this one and hey, wait a minute. It's a lot thicker. Wait, it's metal too, though. I mean, this is laser etched. This right here. I don't know what is that. Some printing or something? Some kind of paint, powder coating maybe. I don't know. Let's see. Maybe. That's really pretty smooth. Yeah, it's smooth, not making no noises or nothing. Wait a minute. This one, this one's having to go like a whole bunch of turns to get it to do something. This one, this one doesn't have to turn it quite. No, wait a minute. Let's see. I'm gonna go one turn. That's it. Let's go this one. One turn. Oh, wait a minute. One more turn. See if we can get to go back. No, no, we can't do that. I'm out of finger room. See, guys, bass knobs are really important. You need whatever, thir. Is that T-her? Oh, here, this one's temp. Is that the same thing? Hey, wait a minute. What is this right here? Volt F. What does this say? Volt/temp. Oh, wait. Maybe, I don't know. It spelled more words out. Maybe it's better. I don't know. This is kind of cheesy. No, this is the greatest one. This is the better one. Wait a minute. Power protect clip indicator. Power protect clip indicator. Guys, if I was you, I would just choose the bigger one here. Even though it's got the thinner stuff in the front, you got to adjust this shit for dirt to get in it, which is going to cause it to go bad. Or you can use this one that doesn't need an adjustment. Got the thicker glasses, but that really doesn't mean anything. You know, it's just a bass knob. You guys take care. I got to go jerk off some more about bass knobs. Big D, I'm out of here.